Hello guys, welcome back at Line App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Instant Page Builder Shopify tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you start using Instant Page Builder here? How do you get started? Well, this one's pretty simple. Now, in order for you to start using Instant Page Builder here, you need to install the app for it. So you want to go to your Shopify's admin page here, and you want to go to the very top here and just type in the following, which is going to be Instant Page Builder. Now, from here, you want to go and choose the option here for Shopify App Store. Let's go and click on it. And in here, you want to go and select your Inside Section Page Builder. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here, you want to review a few things. Now, the thing with this app here is you can use this for free. Like, for example, you can publish one page, publish one section, one blog post, and unlimited previews and unlimited access here. But if you want to get more out of it, you need to get either the Starter, Pro, or Business plans. But for now, let's go and click on Install. And from here, let's go ahead and provide the administrate or the approval here. Let's go and click on Install again. Now, once you've done that, it should start the installation process, and we now need to go ahead and create our account. Let's go and click on Continue with Google. And from here, let's go and choose our Google account. And let's go and click on Continue to provide the access. And that should create our account. So let's just wait for this to load up. Now, from here, it's going to ask you about a few things. So let's go ahead and maybe answer a few things here. Like, for example, let's go and choose Google here. Click on Next Step. Now, what describes your best? So, for example, I'm a designer. Click on Next. Now, the project, you could add whatever title here and which industry. So, let's just say I'm into electronics and click on Create Project. Now, from here, you want to go and connect your Shopify store. So, go ahead and click on the Connect with Shopify here. And once you've done that, that should actually load up a new page here. So let's go and just wait for it. But yeah, so you can see Shopify is successfully connected. Now from here on, you could go ahead and do a short tour here if you want to. But in this case, you could go ahead and basically start creating your project. Now you can basically start from scratch here or choose from a number of templates. So you can choose templates here. Like maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and click on it. Now, from here on, you could go and start designing this. Like, for example, you could click on this hero, the container. If you want to change a few things, you have your elements at the right side. Like, for example, the position, the width for it. Now, if you want to select a specific one, like a text here, or a button, you can go ahead and select that. And again, depending on what element you're selecting here, you'll have access to different elements, or in this case, things that you could change on that specific element. Now, in this case, you can go ahead and select whatever here, change a few things. As you can see, it's expanding here. Now, by the way, the left side here is your layers. So if you're wondering, so this actually contains the cards, the buttons that you have here, and a lot more like icons and text. Now, also you have our pages here. So if you want to basically view the pages you have, and also you have your components, and also you have your brand style. So in this case, branding styles here is really important, especially if you want to stick to the brand that you've built for your store. But yeah, so in this case, now if you want to preview this, you go ahead and click on preview at the top right here. Now if you want to publish this, just click on publish. Now this will actually say enable app embedded in Shopify. Go ahead and click on enable in Shopify. So wait for it to load up, but it's going to be really fast here. So what you just need to make sure is at the left side, it's going to be enabled. Let's go and click on save. Now once you've saved that, that should apply the changes. And from here on, you want to go ahead and go back into your Instant Builder or Instant Page Builder. Click on verify and publish. So just wait for it to load up here. And it's going to say publish section. So yeah. Now, going back into our editor here, you could go and click on add section and go to the very bottom here, and you should be able to add your section that we just recently built. So yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Line App. Thank you for watching.